Alright, so we're jetting this kitchen line. We're here at Patriot Point. The drains have been having a lot of issues for about the last 6 or 7 months. We cleared it initially with our regular drain cleaning machine just to free it up. Now we're running our jetter in. We got our hose out there about 30 feet, which is the length of the line. So now we're jetting it and we're just pulling it back nice and slow to clear all that buildup in the line out of there. We'll touch base with you when we're about done and testing the drain out. Okay, so this plumbing was set up pretty convenient for us. If you can see, we're able to disconnect the auto vent, the air admittance valve. That way we could run the jetter through the top, and then any extra water that the drain can't handle while we're jetting, we can just dump it right into our beautiful bucket. Alright, as you can see, this is the yummy stuff that we're pulling out of the drain. All the white flakes are grease buildup that we're breaking down and what's kind of coming out and also being pushed down. You can see we're no longer getting any of the water draining back out. So that means the drain is keeping up much better, especially with our jetter running down in there still. So I think this is a successful job. Everything cleaned up, nice and tidy. Let's have a look and see how we did.